What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sneaker World? It's your guy again, JU12, aka Bubba, back with another one. And tonight I'll be giving you guys a quick review on the Retro 10 OVO Black. And before we get started, guys, as always, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel. And those who've been rocking with me, I'd just like to thank everyone for the love and support. Let's continue to grow the channel. And I want to just say thank you guys again. And let's get back to these. The good old Drake, aka OVO 10s. These first released back February 13th of 2016. And man, honestly, these are fire. Just get you guys a good look at these. But I mean, the shoe is just designed just perfect. The materials on these is, it's awesome. Another home run with Jordan Brand. And with the collaboration with Drake and OVO, at one point in 2016, these were so hard to get when these first dropped. I remember, sites, of course the sites were crashing. Nike definitely did it. And other sites that, OVO for one, that had to on their site. But yeah, these, they were just a tough shoe to cop. But these, like I said, these dropped on February 13th of 2016 at a retail price of $225. But also, give you guys a look of the gear also that I was able to cop at that time. And I also have this in the white colorway, also the collaboration with Jordan there. As you can see, the OVO Jordan. And the hat here, I was able to cop that off OVO. So shout out to Drake now, man. Continue to put out dope stuff. And I'm gonna let you guys get a good 360 of this. The material that you see, that shiny, look at the material there, that's the Stingray leather. Man, this stuff is mad buttery and mad dope. The leather on these, as you can see, man, you're gonna see it's gonna be definitely kind of bubbly there. Very nice and soft. You can tell the difference. I've seen a lot of people out there with the fake OVOs, man. You can tell the difference in the fake ones compared to an authentic pair. But yeah, these are fire. On the tongue there, you have the Jordan 23, like you do on all your 10s. Alright. I'm going to give you a shot at the bottom of these, which is one of my favorite parts of the shoe. Of course, you got your OVO right there. Let's see if my camera can pick it up, but there you go. And on the inside of the tongue there, you have the Jordan collection stitched in. And of course, gotta have the OVO out there. But yeah, man, definitely this is another grail in my collection, and you guys stay tuned for part 2 of the grail collection series. Definitely check out part 1. I have that in the link also. And just to give you guys a quick look at these, man, just pull these up out of there. But as always, man, I just want to thank you guys for rocking with me and supporting the channel. I'm going to go ahead and sign now. This is your guy, JU12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. You guys stay positive and Lego.